In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs one page. If you've ever been distracted by page breaks or margins while writing, this quick tweak will give you a continuous, seamless canvas that feels more like a long note than a traditional document. Start by opening the document you want to work with in Google Docs. Make sure you're in the right file, since the change we're about to make applies to the current document. Once it's open, head to the top menu bar and click File. From that drop-down, choose Page Setup. This is where Google Docs keeps all the layout controls, like orientation, paper size, and the setting we're after today. Inside the Page Setup window, you'll see a choice between Pages and Pageless. Select Pageless. This mode removes the built-in page boundaries, so your text, images, and tables flow smoothly without those gray page edges or gaps. It's especially helpful for drafting, brainstorming, or working with wide content like large tables and long code snippets, because you won't be constrained by fixed page widths while editing. Before you apply the change, you can optionally choose a background color. Leaving it white gives you a classic, clean look, but a soft tint can reduce eye strain or help differentiate this document from others. This doesn't affect your text or formatting, it's purely visual while you're working. When you're ready, click OK to confirm. Your document will instantly switch to a single, continuous page. You'll notice there are no page breaks as you scroll, and your content will reflow to make the most of your screen space. If you use headings, the outline in the left sidebar becomes even more useful for navigation in this longer view. You can also adjust your zoom level to see more on screen or focus closely on specific sections. A quick note for context. Pageless mode is ideal for on-screen editing and collaboration. If you need to print or export to formats that use standard pages, you can switch back to Pages in the same page setup window at any time. Your content won't be lost. Docs will reintroduce margins and page boundaries for printing or traditional layouts. That's all it takes to make Google Docs one continuous page. If this tutorial helped you simplify your workspace, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.